Hi, I'm Ninh. You're looking really fat today. Ninh explains how to make a good first impression. Believe it or not, most people will judge you within the first second of meeting you. 1 second! And chances are that they'll never change their mind about you after that initial first meeting. This is bad, especially at job interviews, meeting girls, meeting boys, and generally socialising. You only get one shot at making a good first impression. So how do you do it in such a short period of time? It's all about stacking the odds in your favour. And then, not messing it up. Let's start with your appearance. Clothing, shoes, makeup, accessories, and jewellery all make a difference here. Women will make snap judgments on men based on the shoes that he's wearing and based on the watch that he's wearing on his wrist. Seriously, it all matters. So, at all times, at the very least, be presentable. And when you dress to impress, go all out. Next, body language. You guys should know this by now. Head up, shoulders back, smile, relax, always maintain eye contact. And when you shake someone's hand, make sure that you shake it firmly without breaking their wrist. And if you have to hug somebody, make sure that it's firm and that it's not at all creepy. Speak clearly. Wait, what was that? I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Guys, speak clearly. Make sure that you enunciate your words and make it easier for the other person to understand. Even if you have to slow down your speech so that they know what you're saying, do it. And don't fake it. Certainly not like that. But what I mean is that if you try too hard to be somebody that you're not, people aren't stupid. They can see right through all of that. Try and avoid talking about anything bad, anything sad, anything insulting, or anything negative. You don't want them to associate you with being a negative person. And if you are having a bad day, don't feel the need to let it out to a complete stranger or somebody who doesn't know you very well. I hate life. I just found out I've got cancer. Why is it so unfair? Why? Be interested and be interesting. What I mean by that is genuinely be interested in what the other person has to say. And most of the time, they'll ask about you too. So be prepared to tell them something interesting about you. Well, I'm a professional stuntman. I get shot at and thrown out of buildings for a living. Finally, be authentic, guys. Try and be genuine, warm and welcoming. If you're not naturally like that and are a little bit socially awkward, try and create this as a habit of being a positive influence wherever you go. If you need any additional help, check out my video on creating instant rapport with anyone. But if you have found this video at all helpful, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Visit my website, download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there, and as always, if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. So how do you do it in such